Hello, welcome everyone, and a good evening to all my viewers. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the Google Drive. And as we all know, a Google Drive, this is simply a cloud storage service offered by Google, whereby a person is able to store his or her data or documents online. It's very important to keep our documents online. Reason being, if you keep your data maybe in the flash disk and it gets damaged, you can never recover that data. And if even the PC gets damaged, you'll never get that data. So the only way to act as a backup to your documents is to keep them on the Google Drive. Because even if your flash disk or the computer gets damaged, you can easily find them using any computer. Once you've logged in using any computer, you can recover back your data. So majorly, the importance of a Google Drive is to act as a backup for a document in case anything of such happens. Then secondly, the Google Drive also helps a person to access his or her data online at any time using any device. So I'm going to basically show you how to use a drive, maybe how to create a folder, how to move your documents from the desktop and put them on the drive, how to upload files. So before we go further, Google gives a user the capacity of 15 gigabytes, whereby that storage is enough for large documents. So as we are going to start looking at the Google Drive, firstly we have to know how to open a Google Drive. How to access a Google Drive online. A person who uses a smartphone, for example, if you're using an Android phone, you download the app from the Play Store. And if you're using an Apple phone, you will download it from the App Store. That's where you'll get the Google Drive. And if you're using the browser, you're going to search on the browser. So let me show you how we're going to access our Google Drive. We will come to browser and we'll click on it. After clicking, we are going to type here. We're going to type here drive.google.com. It has already brought by default. So we are going to click on it. As we wait for it to open. Or if it's going to take you time, you can easily also have another option. The other option was you come to the Google Apps and you click on it. You search here, and on the Google Apps you will find the Drive icon. So you either go the other way on the browser of typing drive.google.com, or you come on the Google app and you choose from there. So the first thing in this video, I'm going to show you how a person can easily transfer his or her data or documents from the computer and store them on the cloud for backup. So the first thing I'm going to start with is creating my folder, so that each and everything I will store in my account, it's going to be in my folder. So we're going to click on new and you select folder. By default it will bring you untitled folder. So you give the folder a name. Like for me, I'll put it in my name as Lamaro Proscovia. and you click on create. So I've opened a folder here. So a folder has already been created, and this is my folder. Anything that I would maybe like to transfer from the desktop or from the computer or from the phones into the Google Drive, I'll choose my folder, I'll click on it, I'll double click on it. You see there is nothing, like there is no document in it. So it's me to transfer what I want to be in, what I want to transfer from the desktop or the computer into my drive. So we are going to minimize this. After minimizing, I'll come to my desktop, I'll click on it, and maybe I choose any document from here that I would like to transfer into my Google Drive. So let me also customize this one so that I can easily see what I want to transfer from here. First way, let me customize. Okay, we shall move this side so that we are able to see what we are. Yeah. So on my desktop, let me say I'm transferring this document. I'll select on it. I'm going to select that one. Then I'll drag it and place it there and minimize this. So when we add on it, we wait for the document to load. So this is what I transferred in my Google Drive. So you drag what you have here and place it. So you see that what you've transferred from the desktop is already what? On your Google Drive. And if you want to add another one, you select on it. After selecting, you drag and put it here. It will be shown that you're what? Downloading and you're putting something on the Google Drive. So we are going to close this one. And we what? After closing, we're going to maximize this one. So you'll see that in the folder I've created, I have now transferred what? The items that I want them to be kept on the Google. I want them to be kept on the Google Drive, and this was the image that I had put there. So when uploading a file, you'll come to New, right click, you click on File Upload. Then you choose any file that you want to upload from here. Maybe we sample with A-level pure math. You give it the file a name as A-level pure math and you open. After opening, you see that what you're uploading is shown down here, and it is going to be loaded here on my Google Drive. So that is basically how to use a Google Drive. And you see here we have the icons whereby you can share your work with someone, and you can also delete what is not necessary in your drive. So with this, I would like to end here and say thanks for watching my videos. In case of anything, drop your comments in the comment section. Like, subscribe and share.